one of the most hyped AI products in history, just crashed and burned in spectacular fashion, and the numbers are absolutely brutal. I'm Alex Chen. This is AI Now, your daily top 5 in artificial intelligence. Let's count it down. Coming in at number 5, OpenAI is making a major play for the enterprise market. The company just launched its new partner network backed by a $150 million investment. According to LLM stats, this program is designed to help global partners accelerate enterprise AI adoption, deployment, and transformation across businesses worldwide. Now, why does this matter? It signals a strategic pivot for OpenAI. They're moving beyond direct consumer products and building out a channel partnership ecosystem, which is exactly what you do when you're preparing for an IPO. And with that offering expected later this year, the timing here is no coincidence. But things get bigger. Here's number 4. At number 4, the federal government is unleashing AI on fraud at a scale we've never seen before. According to unrot.co, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services is now using ChatGPT to analyze 5 full years of Medicaid audit reports from all 50 states. What are they hunting? Between $100 billion and $200 billion in annual waste and fraud. Let that sink in. This is one of the largest government deployments of AI for fraud detection ever attempted. And the implications are huge, because if this works, it sets a precedent for AI-assisted auditing across every federal agency. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how government oversight operates. Number 3 is where things get interesting. Number 3. Tonight takes us to South Korea for an infrastructure story that signals where AI is heading. According to unrot.co, NAVER and NVIDIA have announced plans to build gigawatt-scale AI data center facilities. To put that in perspective, a gigawatt is enough power to run roughly 750,000 homes. These are not just data centers, they are AI factories designed specifically for training and deploying the next generation of frontier AI models. This matters because we are entering a new era in AI infrastructure. Compute demand is crushing supply right now, and nations are racing to host critical AI training capacity. Whoever controls the infrastructure controls the AI future. We're down to the top 2. Here's what took the number 2 spot. In at number 2, a global survey of over 1,000 chief information officers has exposed a dangerous paradox at the heart of enterprise AI adoption. According to the Logicalis 2026 Global CIO report, covered by unrot.co, 94% of organizations increased their AI investment in the past year. But here's the twist. 51% of those same leaders believe adoption is already moving too fast. The numbers get worse. 89% describe their AI approach as learning as we go. 62% have compromised on AI governance to move faster. And only 44% say they fully grasp the risks of the AI they've already deployed. This is a red flag. Enterprises are flying blind with technology they don't understand, and the gap between adoption speed and organizational readiness is widening. And now, the biggest AI story of the day. The number 1 story today is a cautionary tale that shook the entire AI industry. OpenAI's Sora video generation platform, one of the most hyped AI products in history, is officially dead. According to unrot.co, Sora has been fully discontinued just 6 months after its public launch. And the numbers behind this failure are absolutely staggering. The platform was burning an estimated $15 million per day in compute costs. Its total lifetime revenue? Just $2.1 million. Not per month, not per week. Total, ever. This spectacular collapse reveals the brutal economics of AI video generation. Even with OpenAI's resources, even with all that hype and anticipation, they could not find a sustainable path to profitability. The lesson here is clear. In AI, the most impressive demos don't always make viable products. And if OpenAI can't make consumer AI video work, it raises serious questions about who can. That's your AI Now Top 5 for June 14, 2026. If any of these stories surprised you, drop it in the comments. The Sora shutdown caught a lot of people off guard, but those economics were always going to be brutal. Like and subscribe if AI news is your thing. I'll see you tomorrow.